Hi, Foodie Chef Pete here, and today I'm going to make for us some chicken thighs in a stir fry, and I'm going to use honey, and it is going to be a honey chicken thighs stir fry in the Chef Pete's kitchen today. Okay, so first thing you do is get yourself some chicken thighs, and then take off the skin on the back, and then what we want to do is cut them up into some nice good sized pieces so that we get good pieces here, and we want to cut them up. I've already taken the skin off the back of these, so what I'm doing is I'm getting them ready. I'm heating my pan up. I put in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and about a tablespoon of the sesame oil. Okay, and we're going to start by getting these chicken thighs browned up, and I'm leaving a little fat on these chicken thighs because a little fat's not going to hurt us, but I do take the skin off. As you can see, there's no skin on the back of these. I've taken it off. This is the inside, and what we're going to do today is put some fresh veggies with it. Anthony will show you here on the board. I have some onion, I have some squash, I have some pepper, and I have some cabbage. Okay, so those are going to be our veggies. And then also what I've done today is I've taken some out of the freezer, some bird's eye, and here we have it right here. And these frozen veggies you can buy in the freezer section of your store. I use them just as a piece of corn, these little corns which are nice, and some of these sweet little peas, these little sweet peas. Okay, and it has other things in there also. All right, so here we have our oil is all heated up nice now in our pan, and we're going to get started right in. There we go with our chicken thigh. And what we're going to do is get our chicken thigh going here, because I'm going to do a garlic honey beautiful delicious sauce. So we're making this chicken thighs with garlic, honey, and beautiful 5 spices and ginger and a little sugar and soy sauce, and it's going to be delicious. So let me rinse my fingers real quick since I touched the chicken. Okay, all right. So let's get these going here. We want to get these going, and I think what I'm going to do here for starters is I'm going to put a little bit of salt there. A little bit of salt. There we go. A little bit of salt. And then I want some garlic. I have garlic over here. I have some minced garlic. Let's give it a couple of 2 teaspoons should be equal to a couple of cloves of garlic. Okay. All right. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to give it, I got some salt on it. If you like pepper, add pepper. I think I might give it just a little pepper, but let's get these going. They're starting to go here. But we have garlic, and then I'm going to get some honey on here when we get these a little bit more brown. Okay. Alrighty. And I'm going to give it some soy sauce. Just like this. And we're going to let that come right back up. Okay, there we go. And if you could smell this, you would smell soy sauce here. And over here in this pan on this stove over here, I'm going to put some of these beautiful Japanese noodles, and we're going to have this stir fry served, our honey garlic stir fry served over the noodles today. Okay, so I'm going to cook those in a minute here. So we get these going. Okay. There we go. To get these going good.
Chef Pete, do you need that bottle of 5 spice?
No, I already have it over here.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Thanks for asking, Anthony. Thanks for asking. Okay. So we're going to let this continue on here, and we'll continue on. I'm going to put the lid on this while we come back over here to this side, and we're going to get a knife. And we are going to begin cutting things. Okay, so let's cut our onion into nice slices, because Onion is always good. Onion adds a nice flavor. It's a good veggie. And we're gonna get that cut, and let's cut the other side. 2 halves make a whole, right? Okay. And there we go. And there we go. And there we go. Okay. All right. So let's see what's happening here. Already he's looking good. I'm going to add a little honey to these, and then we're going to let it a couple of good 2-3 teaspoons. We like honey. Alrighty, I got my water boiling over here. I'm going to get these right in there, just like that. That's all you need to do, and then we're going to let them come to a boil, let it simmer, and then just turn off the heat, and they will puff up, ready to go for our chicken thighs with honey dish today. Okay, so that's good. We'll set that down.